Hello friends, this is a simple tutorial on how to get started with repairs of mobile phones. We have different tools. Basically, you need only a few for removing the screws of the mobile. Okay, and basically you need a soldering iron. Soldering iron comes in different sizes, different shapes, different we have different qualities. You need soldering iron. With every soldering iron, you need a soldering lead. This is lead. It's very important when, especially, you need for soldering one or two things to the motherboard, panel of the phone, charging ports, or one chip or the other. Okay, you need this also. Oh my, it's always very hard when you put the hot soldering iron. It becomes, it begins to melt. Okay, you need soldering paste. Soldering paste helps to separate or prevent solder from from bridging, from touching where you don't want to touch. And this is LCD glue. LCD glue is necessary when you want to make replacement for LCD. You need this to hold the new LCD down to the case or casement of the phone. Okay, well, different people use different things. Some people use petrol, some people but I use thinner because it has a very good and efficient performance when you use to clean the motherboard of phones, especially when there is water damage or any liquid substance gets into the phone or other device. You need something very effective to clean, to wash off the liquid that got inside the phone. Okay, so I use thinner. Thinner is very common, it's very cheap, and it's very efficient as well. Okay, this is basically what you need to get started with a phone repair. Okay, first and foremost, you need to know how to use each tools. Okay, this is connected to electricity. It becomes very hot. If it doesn't get really hot, it cannot melt this lead. Okay,